High-precision small internal grooving with the SIGC. An innovative new clamping system ensures a firm hold on the insert to provide high-precision machining capabilities. The clamp force pulls the bottom surface of the insert in the axial direction. With a large contact surface, the insert is firmly held in place. High-precision machining is possible by reduced variation of the cutting-edge position. Double coolant holes from 2 angles provide stable machining and excellent chip evacuation, featuring a unique flute design. In several tests, the SIGC grooving holder shows much better chip evacuation than competitors. Sizes range down to an 8mm minimum cutting diameter. Use inserts with new Megacoat Nano Plus PR 1725 grade for steel machining. When you need the ultimate precision grooving capabilities, look for the new SIGC holders to improve cycle time with fewer defects.